Hey, what's up, guys? I want to give you a little demonstration of my swing trading algorithm for investors that I created. Now, right now, we had a signal to buy just about 2-3 days ago on Thursday around 9:10 at night. And we're still, if we took that trade, we'd be up about 10%, 10.5%. Now, if you've never seen this charting platform before, this is TradingView, where you can look at any asset in the world and see the price track over time, over a day, a minute, 5 minutes. But let's get back to what I'd like to demonstrate here, which is my Sniper UAV swing investors algorithm. Now, I can basically put this on any asset, any time frame, but it's really just made for the top 10 it's top 10 cryptocurrencies, but really it really works for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance token. So make sure we got Sniper UAV on, settings are dialed, and we go to the strategy tester, which runs the algorithm over a period of time and simulates trades as if it was live backwards in time, as if we were trading in 2015 or 2020. So this chart I have up right here, this is the Coinbase Bitcoin chart, which is one of the longest tracking charts for Bitcoin's price movement. And for Coinbase, oh, we're getting a glitch here. And for Coinbase, it goes back to 2015, as we can see right here. About June 2015, when Bitcoin was a whopping $245 per coin. So, what this algorithm tries to do is it tries to buy and sell your investment portfolio at the best times it can. It's not perfect, but it will make money over time better than most people who are trying to time the market, because it's so time consuming and energy consuming as well, of your attention to constantly be looking at the charts to know, oh, is this a good time to buy? Should I be taking profit here, So I originally wanted to create something that would, passively take care of some of those headaches of investing. So I took the best things that I knew for long-term trading, and I basically turned it into a algorithm. This was I've been working for, if you look at here, these are all the different programs and indicators I've independently programmed. And I've been working on this and various indicators and bots for almost going on a year now. Like every day, 8 to 10 hours between normally day trading during the day, So I've been spending a long time trying to solve this problem of how can we time, our investment portfolio so we're making money and we're spending less time looking at the charts, so we have more of a balanced life. So I arrived at the Sniper UAV swing algorithm, which has had multiple iterations and tweaks. It kind of was called this Bravo 50 and 9, and it's been tweaked so many times of so many different versions, but I'm going on a tangent here. So, like I said, TradingView allows me to run my algorithm and backtest it over time. So we have the 2015. We have data for Bitcoin that goes all the way back to 2015, which is awesome. So when we run this, I can do a simulation of how much money I want to put in from my starting investment. Initial capital here, base currency, US dollar. How much of that initial capital do I want to keep trading with? Commissions, all this little stuff. But we're just going to keep it basic and just say, what if we initially invested $10,000 into Bitcoin, and every time we bought and sold 100% of that position? So with that input, it is running this back to 2015 and giving us an idea of how this algorithm performs. And as a result, we get a stunning 15,000% return. That $10,000 has become $1.5 million just in a matter of 6, 7, 8 years. That's awesome. But the most important things now is a little more nitty-gritty. This strategy isn't winning more than half the time, and it's still making crazy gains. So just like here, this is kind of what it visually does. It waits for a certain condition, and it will send that. When the condition is met, it will send a piece of code to the 3 Commas platform, which is connected to your broker, which you will set up at one point, and it automates the orders for you. And it just repeats this all throughout time. We had a buy back in around November 5th, but our 2% stop loss got triggered and got us out of that nasty correction before it could really hurt us. And the beauty of we can go back in time and see how this thing is kind of doing. It tried to buy here and sell here, tried to buy here, sell up here, and a lot of little crazy price action. So this is really cool. We can go back and see it visually, and we can go use the strategy tester and actually look at the trades too and see the profit, the cumulative profit, how much it ran up in price before it actually took profit, how negative did the trade go before it hit profit or it hit the stop loss. So we have a lot of information at our disposal to really analyze whether this algorithm is worth putting money in. So this thing wins over 40% of the time and makes money. Just look at that equity curve over time, just up, up, and up. It's not about making money every day, every week with this algorithm. It's about, over the long term, positioning your portfolio so you're not spending time on the market and you're just automating your investments without wasting too much time or energy. You know what you need to invest in, but it just takes so much time and education to know, and experience too, to know, like, when should I take my profits? When should I get out? And I think this little tool here, will solve that problem for many people. Not everyone, but I think this is something really cool right here. So let's move on to the next thing, which is profit factor, which is the amount of money the strategy makes for every unit of money it lost, and the gross profits divided by gross losses. So basically what this means is for every dollar we lose, we're making $2.7 when we win. So when you have a profit factor over 1, that means you are having a profitable strategy that makes money. And this means we are making more than double for every time we lose $1. Generally, not literally, but overall, when this account is making money, for every dollar it lost, for when it's winning, it's making 2.7 times that dollar amount it's losing. So, very cool. Very, very cool stuff. And it's awesome to see this thing catch a 10% trade right here. So this could be a bull trap or the start of the bottom of the bull market. I mean, the bear market going into the bull market. So that's just a little demonstration of the sniper UAV investor algorithm. And I hope to make it available to you guys sometime soon, because I think it's tweaked. I think it's ready for people to get it in their hands and make some money and automate their portfolio. And again, this is only for the top 3 cryptocurrencies, the Sniper UAV. This is only for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB token, because this just does not work for other cryptocurrencies, because they don't have enough data and the price movement is so volatile and choppy. It's really hard to confidently put your money in something like that in the long term, because there's just not enough patterns to verify that this is something to put your money into. But we could jump to Ethereum real quick and go on the Ethereum Coinbase chart, which goes back to 2016 when Ethereum was $12. And this has a 4,000% return. There's another time frame that this does well on, but I'll look for that later. But yeah, I just want to demonstrate that this works well for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance token. So this is Binance token, 1,600% return, 38% profitable, 2.31 profit factor. You know, so strategies that make money. So now that we're still on the Bitcoin Coinbase chart, we can see the list of trades it's done throughout the entire history of the test. And if you look at the latest trade right here, which is basically this trade here, where it says enter long to buy, on Thursday, we would see right here, the 12th, Thursday, it made a buy, and it's still holding that trade. And right now, it's telling me the current profit of that trade is 11%. We had a run-up of 13% at the trade's height, and it had a drawdown of 0.7%. So right now, we're in a portfolio trade that is potentially going to net us 11%. And it's going to make $169,000 profit on that original $10,000 investment. That is now over $1.5 million. Hope you enjoyed this little demonstration of the Sniper UAV swing algorithm for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance token. I will see you guys next time. Peace.